Say aya. Do it again. Say aya. He's gonna follow me around because I have the video camera. Say, Tristan, stand up.
Over.
All right, just a minute. Tristan, do it again. Okay, hold on.
Watch.
Tristan, do it again. Doing a front kick saying aya. Let's see if the other ones will tell us hello. Ice Escape? No, Jakey wants to watch Spider-Man. Look, Caitlin. Say, I love you, Mommy. I love you too, baby. Here. Do you see yourself?
Can
Hey, baby.
I videotape you, Mommy?
No. Caitlin's watching herself in the screen. You want to see yourself, Jakey? Can you see yourself?
Mommy! Put the purse.
Okay, I'll delete you. Tristan, say bye. Alright, Caitlin. Say see you later.
Can I watch
Caitlin, say see you later, alligator.